discuss quadratic formula, and we'll derive quadratic formula by using completing square. As we know, the general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now we will divide whole equation by a because the coefficient of x square will be 1. Here we can see the coefficient is a. So we will remove a. For removing a, we will divide whole equation by a. When we will divide whole equation by a, we will get ax square over a plus bx over a plus c over a is equal to 0. Now we will simplify it. It will becomes x square plus bx over a plus c over a is equal to 0. Now we will take constant value on the other side of the equation. Our constant value is c over a. So take the c over a on the other side of the equation. It will becomes x squared plus bx over a is equal to minus c over a. Now we will divide the coefficient of x by 2. The coefficient of x is b over a. We will divide it by 2 and take its square and add on both sides. The half of b over a is b over 2a. So we will add the square over of b over 2a on both sides. Now divide the term having x by 2 and add its square on both sides. So we will get x square plus 2x b over 2a plus b over 2a square is equal to minus c over a plus b over 2a square. As we see in the previous term, we have x bx over a, bx over a. If we cancel out a 2 with 2, we will get bx over a as we have in the previous term. Here we have bx over a. We will multiply by 2 and divide it by 2. So we will get 2 into x into b over 2a. We will take square of b over 2a and add it on both sides. So we will get this. Now, as we know, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. As we see, as we can see, the equation on the left side is almost similar the equation of right side of this. So we will compress it as a plus b whole square. So x square is a and 2 is the formula and x is a, b over 2a is as acting as b plus b whole square, a plus 2 into a into b plus b whole square. So when we will compress it, we will get x plus b over 2a, a plus a plus b whole square is equal to minus c over a plus b square over 2 square 4a square 4a square. When we will get square of 2a, we will get 4a square. Now take, because we have square on left side, To remove it, we will take square root on both sides. When we'll take LCM on right side, we will get minus 4ac plus b square over 4a square. Now we will take square root on both sides. As we know, square root will be cancelled with square. Square root will be cancelled with square. We will get x square x plus b over 2a is equal to plus minus square root minus 4ac plus b square over 4a square. When we will rearrange of 4ac plus b square, we will get b square minus 4ac. So the equation becomes x plus b over 2a is equal to plus minus square root b square minus 4ac, and 4a square is the square of 2a. So 2a square will cancel out with square root and we will get 2a. Now plus b over 2a, we will take it on the other side and it will becomes negative. The equation will becomes x is equal to minus b over 2a plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. Square root, I forgot to take square root, please note it. Now taking LCM, when we will take LCM of both terms, we will get b minus b plus minus square root 2b square minus 4ac over 2a. This is the required quadratic formula. So, this is the called quadratic formula. Thank you.